Bare aluminum is one of the most beautiful and durable surfaces used in constructing our marine craft, aircraft, and commercial vehicles. Nyalic can lock in this beauty and give your clients many more years of protection from the elements. In the course of construction, it's a good idea to keep the supplier's protection on the sheet aluminum as long as possible during the manufacturing stage. This will protect the aluminum from scratches, handprints, and contaminants from the construction process. But when the construction is finished, there will still be residual mill oils and glue contamination on the aluminum surfaces, and these contaminants must be removed before the application of Nyalic. A 50-50 mixture of right rinse and simple prep is often enough to eliminate these contaminants. This cleaning solution should be sprayed on one section at a time, always working from the bottom to the top to avoid streaking marks. Agitate the surface with a soft brush as you go. Let the cleaning solution work on each section of the surface for a short time, then rinse off the surface with clean water, still brushing as you go. Do not allow the cleaner to dry on the surface. You can tell that the surface is clean by the way the water runs off. If the water beads or runs off in rivulets, then the surface is still not clean. If the surface is clean, the water will sheet off. Once the surface is clean and completely dry, you are ready to apply the Nyalic coating. Many manufacturers like to give the surface an acid wash to achieve that aluminum glow before applying Nyalic. Whether using a light or heavy acid wash, the procedure is the same. Acid washing should always be carried out in the shade, on a cloudy day, or under cover away from direct sunlight. The heat from the sun can cause an uneven etching by the acid. This etching can only be remedied by more acid washing with a higher strength acid concentration. Apply the acid solution with the spray nozzle set at quite a strong, direct flow. Do not allow the acid application to dry on the surface. Rinse it off with a clean water supply, again starting from the bottom up. Remember that when the surface is decontaminated, the water will sheet off. These marks show where the internal frame has been welded. This changes the internal chemical makeup of the aluminum, and the marks cannot be washed off. They are normally left showing below the waterline. Some areas, like the bow, are sanded back, and this means the change of color is not so noticeable. Some hard-to-remove spots may show up as soon as the acid wash is applied. These spots are usually caused by little spots of lubricant wax or similar contaminants. After the rinse, these areas will need to be cleaned off with a degreasing cleaner, and the specific areas acid washed again. Even if these acid wash patches are very small, it's important to wash down the whole side of the surface again. A soft, non-scratching brush is also useful in agitating the acid wash solution. This further reduces streaking and other surface marks to give an even coloration. It is advisable to have two operators, one acid washing and one continually rinsing to avoid drying. This is critically important. Rinse, rinse once again, and then rinse some more. Finally, spray the whole surface again with a mixture of clean water and baking soda, and rinse again, agitating with a soft brush. Use a different brush than the one used with the acid wash. This will ensure the acid is neutralized, and when it is dry, the surface will be ready for the application of Nyalic.